Okay, so this exercise, we touch a partner's base, we just feel the stretch on the fascia, find the feet, and then release. So we get this stretching in and releasing, stretching in, releasing. As soon as we identify the feeling of stretching in, we drop the hip, stretch the spine, and we just feel and breathe into what we feel to pick up a partner's base. So we can do it via more of a drop hip stretch and mechanically stretch under, or we can do it via an inflation through vital energy. We just breathe into our partner. We practice inflating them like a balloon. And each time we breathe into our partner, we get more feeling, and we put the energy in the right place, and then we get a stronger effect. So this tune into the base, tune into the fascia. As you release, that's when you feel the energy to create space. If I hold them down and breathe in, I'm kind of like I'm fighting myself. But if I let it go slightly, that allows the fascia to pop, the three bodies to separate slightly. There's a window where I can put the energy through, and then feel that gap. Are you feeling? So we touch base, find what we're looking for, and then open the energy up. Since we're onto this feeling, we can just touch in any part. Draw the energy out. So it's a matter of identifying what the base is, what the feeling of the fascia and the energy field is, feel the center, and just move the energy according to your feeling. You can inflate the balloon more, or find the balance point, stretch it out. You move into the astral body, feel that, stretch it out, and play with your partner's balance. The more you explore touching different layers of the person's energy field and generating influence within it, the better you're going to get at this. So you get a wider spectrum of sensation. Each time you touch a different person, it's like information goes into your library, and once you have touched 100 people, the next person you touch, you already know that feeling and you know how to affect that person. So you need to touch as many people as you can, breathe into them, cut the connection between the three bodies, float them, and you get good at this skill. Now, whether you're using this for Tai Chi or Fa Jin or internal martial arts or healing, or therapy, teaching, it's all the same fundamental idea. You walk through that door and then you create change. Okay, let's have play. Thank you.